the next big trigger that the stock markets are looking at is the union budget. And Karishma tracks the finance ministry. She is at the ministry currently, and she is getting us exclusive information as to what can be expected in the upcoming budget. So all the viewers, listen in very carefully. Next trigger for the markets will be the budget. All the key agendas could also be driving up specific sectoral moves in the markets as well. Karishma, over to you. What can we expect in the union budget this time?
Sakshi, I think the big bet that government is making is again on fiscal consolidation. In fact, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman yesterday took charge of the office. This is going to be her 7th consecutive budget that she will be presenting, and key focus is on fiscal consolidation, on some social reforms that could be expected, and of course a higher capex. They went for 11.11 lakh crore number in the interim budget, but expect that to increase. There could be an upward revision on the fiscal deficit target from 5.1%, knowing the fact that even the last year, that is FY24's GDP numbers had turned out so well that government is looking at this from a really positive outlook when it comes to FY25. Now, the RBI dividend bonanza that they had received is something that we are pondering over. This could definitely mean positive in terms of government trying to roll out some social reforms, especially on the front of unemployment and making more jobs to of course, cut down unemployment and introducing more jobs. They could also make some revision in their Manrega target, which would definitely be beneficial for the rural job sector. Besides this, you can also expect some big ticket reforms on the existing policies that government has. Yet we do not know if there's going to be an income tax cut and if the middle class hopes are going to be fulfilled. But the pre-consultation for budget begins on 17th of June, and maybe in the days to come we'll learn if North Bloc is hinting at a tax cut for Indians this financial year. The budget likely is going to be in mid-July. It could be anywhere between the 15th or the 22nd of July.
Okay, thank you so much, Karishma, for getting us all of those details, and keep watching this space. This is going to be extremely important for our stock market viewers also to keep a track on as to what is really going to be developing as we approach the union budget as well.